Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm freaking out. I took this out, some ground beef. I don't have any green peppers. I haven't made it to the regular supermarket yet. So I'm having a low-key panic attack. So this has to be the most flavorful burger on the planet because I don't have any green peppers. So let's think. What am I gonna do? Okay, I got it. So I'm gonna do a pepper jack cheese, delish, and I'm gonna season it with our Cajun seasoning, our organic Cajun seasoning. All right, let's get started on lunch and dinner probably. Okay guys, so it is lunchtime. My burgers are almost done. I am gonna use this. I got this from Amazon, this avocado ranch. I'll comment down below to let you guys know how it tastes. And here are the ingredients again. It's keto certified. This I got from Primal Kitchen. This is delish. Spicy ketchup. And then I'm going to, you know me, I like to cook and get it done with. So I'll probably do this for dinner. Split the burger in half and make like a burger fajita. Is that a thing? I guess, yeah. And for lunch, I'm gonna do some salad.
I'll do one little one and one big one.